Hey guys, what's up? MikeyDC here with Mikeydailycarry, and I am back with another unboxing and first impressions. And this one right here is from a company called Kobra Kydex. Now, I have made videos of holsters that they have sent to me in the past. I'll make sure I link that at the end of this video or in the description, so that way you get an understanding of the different types of holsters they carry. Very high quality, USA made. Today, I am unboxing a package that was sent to me for a 43X MOS inside the waistband holster in Multicam black. MCB, baby. I absolutely love it. Now, I do have my firearm here. This has been safety checked. Nothing in there, nothing chambered. So let's see how it looks like. Ooh, shaking this bad boy. Nothing is coming out of here. Let me see if I have the details of which one this is exactly. I do not. I don't have the details of which one this is, but I'll make sure I link it in the description below. Right now, they do have this wing right here, which pushes this and cants it towards my body if I want to wear this. And then it comes with a singular clip, but they also have a double, it looks like a discreet carry concepts type clip that I can use to put into these holes. And there's actually two holes right there, so that way if I wanted to cant in a certain position, I can absolutely do so. But oh my gosh, guys, carrying this appendix in Multicam black with a wing, come on. I mean, let me just try it on my shorts right now. See how this fits. Give you guys a feel of the draw. I have this on my person right now. Obviously, I don't have a belt, so I just have it on some board shorts, but ooh, I like that. I like how it feels. Yep, retention good, doesn't move like crazy. I told you I don't have a gun belt or anything like that, but I like that. So, boom, there you have it. Kobra Kydex, y'all. Check them out. I believe I also have a discount code for them in the description below. Check it out. Peace.